Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Retro Gamer Pro handheld console review. So, in this case, you may be wondering what is the Retro Gamer Pro handheld console that you may be hearing online. So, Retro Gamer is a handheld retro gaming console designed to bring games from multiple classic gaming systems into one portable device. Now, according to the official website, it comes with either 20,000 or 60,000 plus pre-installed games, depending on the version, and supporting over like 20 plus emulators, including such as PS1, PS2, PSP, Game Boy, GBA, N64, SNES, Genesis, Nintendo DS, and Dreamcast here. Now, the console has a 6-inch Class HD IPS display listed at around 640 by 480 resolution, and a quad-core 64-bit 1.5 gigahertz processor, and a Mali G3 1MP2 GPU. It can also be connected on a television using an HDMI cable here. So if you want to play on a bigger screen. Now, in this case, how do you exactly use it? Well, it works like any kind of console that you could use out there. So you just need to turn it on need to turn on the Retro Gamer Pro here and choose the game from the built-in menu. Now, websites you can search games by console or title, create a favorite folder, save game progress, and use cheats or different speed settings there, depending on what you fancy at that moment. So if you're wondering what about the games they currently have right now, you could also go and visit their website. They do have a search function here to see which games is included in the games, or 60,000 games that is included in the pre-built memory or pre-built games that they already have here. Now, according to the website here, the device itself does not require Wi-Fi for its pre-installed games, and the manufacturer advertises up to like 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. Now, from then on, it charges through a USB-C and supports both wired and Bluetooth headphones. Now, the website also says it comes already set up, so there are no downloads or installation required for the included games. So it's basically just a charge it, then start playing it. So that's what we are seeing in here. Now, there is also an optional Wi-Fi dongle sold separately. According to the website, adding it enables features such as multiplayer, Pokemon trading, downloading additional games, and software updates here. Now, the official website here currently lists Retro Gamer Pro from around £74 with different bundles and game storage options available. But depending on where you are, pricing may change. So you may want to visit the website and see the exact pricing for it. So yeah. So in simple terms here, Retro Gamer Pro is a portable emulator-based console with a large pre-installed game library designed to work without an internet connection and with options to connect it to a TV. Now, if you're interested with this product here, doing your own research by checking product specifications and information on the official website and outside the official website is recommended before purchasing. But that's about it. If you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.